Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch-up video. It's Sunday the, let's have a look at my phone here. You get the date up. Get the date up here. Sunday 20th of February, which is now just from 25 to 4. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Bob. Hi, monkey. I went to Wilco's the other day and I've got a few bits that I bought. Got some Tomarite, all purpose. Around here, we have my lovely begonias. These are Thompson Long Unplugged from last year. Flowered really beautifully. They're starting to grow really nicely. Let me just see that there. So if you can hear the rain, it is absolutely bucketing it down. Got some 10-week stocks there. Down this. And the Gypsy up there. Everything down. These are my split delphiniums. Look at those. Really healthy shoots. In fact, from one plant I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5, 6, 7 plants out of one, which is great. It's 10 degrees at the moment. I'm not on my heater on because the price of electricity is absolutely humongous. These are myself so what do you think now? Agapanthus delphinium. Yeah, myself some Agapanthus there. That is a cutting from my delphiniums there. I thought I'd just try and see if it's taking it, if it's going to take. You can see there, what's got back there? Can't see them from here, sorry about that, folks. As we spin round, we have Echinacea, lupins. Here we have beautiful petunias, and this is getting ready to start taking some cutting from this now. So we're posting a video on that shortly. We come round, this petunia is absolutely, oh, I'm so pleased with this. I think it's Midnight something, I'm not quite sure the name of it, but it is absolutely spot on. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm going to spray it for powdery mildew. I don't know if you can see that there. Something you've got to keep an eye on during the winter when you've got a huge greenhouse. Because these were taken from the garden, you probably already have the powdery mildew on them. Yeah, a little bit there. I shall spray them next few days. Come around here, and my beautiful poppies. Berries and cream, they're looking really nice. And then my sweet peas. I've got several packets of sweet peas to sow, so I'm doing that in the next few days. Down there, my delphiniums again, that are really looking well. Here we have some lupins there. You can see some cornflowers. Here's a few packets of begonias, phlox and dahlias. Just have a gentle squeeze round here. There's some Undianthus there, the rest of cornflowers and the rest of the bascums. Some more petunias. This is a beautiful pink carnation. I think it's pink. It's called a pink, but it's a carnation. And I hope the flower is pink. Oh yeah, there we go there. Flowers just starting to come. Here we have some delphiniums, some pelargoniums, cuttings, and then we have some dahlias over there. And I think we have some sweet peas and some rose cuttings at the back there. Just come around here like so. Let's get this up there, out to the way, so that's folks. Wow, the moisture levels. I'm going to get a dehumidifier when I can afford it. Come here, we've got my dahlia cuttings there. Some dahlia tubers there. Begonias that need watering in there, and a couple of tomatoes. That's because I reuse some compost. And then we gently come down here. My 2 begonias there. Looking really well. Come down. Wow, got a flower, got a flower, got a flower. So excited. Ah. Yeah, tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes now. They're looking really well. At the back, pelargoniums, freesias. They'll flower and they're beautiful. And then we have Rudbeckia, marigolds, and some more petunias there. Some dahlias there that are growing really well. Some pelargoniums at the back. This is a pelargonium cutting that I took earlier on. If you just get this yeah, just want to show you this flower that I am so proud about. Look at that, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Let's get over here. That flower is amazing. I'm really pleased with that. Just trying to turn off the light on here, see if that makes a difference. Yeah, look at the beautiful flower there. Absolutely spot on there. Just a beautiful colour. And then we have at the back there, that's a fuchsia. Name's terrible, names are terrible. If we look under here, I'll just put this up here, which is not supposed to go on my lights. And then we have, look at all those, Nemesia, Viola, and Calendula. All those looking really, really well. I'll take the top off this today. And then we have some Cosmos. These have not gone really well because they were overwatered, my fault, and they were left to dry out, so I've had a mixture of both things on that. That's what's really bothered those. So let's have a look under here. These are some tomatoes, not tomatoes, some strawberries, and they're not crouching yet. That's where there was some skin there that I just chucked in there, which I shouldn't have done really, but hopefully they'll start to germinate soon. And yeah, that's it. That's everything that I've gone through. I'll take this back down. Don't want on top of the lights all the time. I shall be putting a lot of these on today and tomorrow, keeping everything nicely watered. Just have a quick spin around. So yeah, I hope you like everything. I hope everybody's safe with all these storms that we've had this week. I hope everybody's looking after themselves. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep yourself safe. Thank you. Bye.